So here's the fastest way to start learning SolidWorks and to start your career in 2026. So number one is don't focus on learning as many tools as possible, but focus on learning the tools that actually matter, right? So if you look at every project that you're gonna do in SolidWorks, there are certain tools that you really have to know. So that is number one. Number two is focus on the sketching. And this is where most of beginners actually skip this part. They just create a sketch that are not stable, that are not fully defined, that are not built correctly. They don't pay attention to the main dimensions, driven dimensions. But if you focus on these things, everything later, when you do the parts, when you do assemblies, it's much, much easier. Then number three, focus on these three elements. This is part design, assembly, and drawing. But don't just learn tools when it comes to the part design, assembly, and drawing. Work on the examples, on the exercises, okay? Because this way you will know how to use specific tool in different situation. Because a lot of people just learn tools, but then they get a different model and they have to improvise something. They don't know how to implement that specific tool. Then the next thing is design intent. So that means knowing what are the main dimensions, what is the base feature that actually drives the model, what is the main dimension that drives the model, right? And what happens if I change this dimension, how the model will change, what happens if I change this feature, right? How the model will change. So this is design intent, so focus on this. So when you build something, try to figure out, okay, what is the main thing, what is the main dimension, what is the main feature, and then try to change these things and see how your model will behave. Then once you know these tools, once you know how to implement these tools, right, and you know design intent, then get certified. So what that means? So there are official certifications from SolidWorks. We have two main ones, which is Certified SolidWorks Associate and Certified SolidWorks Professional. This certification will do two things for you. So the nature of the exam will force you to use design intent and to build your models under time pressure. Okay, so you're gonna develop that skill. But also these certifications will separate you from other CAD designers once you start searching for a job or for a freelancing project. So first start with the CSWA. Once you pass that, go to the CSWP. Then once you have these certifications, focus on building a portfolio. Okay, so you can just create certain things when it comes to part design, assembly, and drawing, and build your own portfolio. Because now once you have the skills, right, you know the tools, you know how to use them in different situations, you know design intent, you have certifications, you have portfolio, now you increase your chances to actually get that job, to get that salary, to get that freelancing project. And to get through all of these things, you need structured learning. So focus on these elements and you're gonna increase your chances to start career soon as possible in 2026. Now, if you want my SolidWorks career blueprint, you can click down below and you can get that for free. See you in another video.